Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So nice quick one for you today. We're going to be putting the first mod on our brand new 2024 F150 Tremor, and that is a bolt antenna. So this part is courtesy of Apex Rim and Tire. I recently purchased my new wheels and new tires through them, and got hooked up with a bolt antenna along with that. So the first official mod going on the truck is the bolt antenna. For anyone that's in the market for wheels and tires, make sure you guys check them out. They ship all over and they will beat anyone's price. So check them out, you guys, Apex Rim and Tire, and let's get right into it here. So this is gonna be one of the easiest mods to do on your truck. Every antenna is a little bit different, but generally the same principle. You're either gonna have an antenna with a built-in sort of nut that you just take a crescent wrench and you twist it off. This one I can just hand twist off and it doesn't actually have that wrench slot. So very, very easy. Just twist it off. It's just a thread. They all look like that. Very, very easy. And then when you buy a bolt antenna, they come with a variety of different. So there's the bullet antenna right there, the 50 caliber bullet. And they come usually with a little baggie full of a bunch of different adapters depending on what kind of vehicle you have. So we're gonna go with this guy right here and put it all together now. So I'm gonna put the thread into the bullet antenna and then simply thread it where the OEM antenna is and give it a little twist, not too tight. And there you go, it's as easy as that. First mod done, easiest mod done. I know it's not everyone's flavor, but I don't like the big dangly antenna from factory. So this is the best solution in my opinion. Just a very subtle look, nothing too crazy. That's one of many, guys. Nice short video. Thanks for stopping by.